I want to formulate my prediction about the future of the company, just like how I predict about stocks, right? So far, so good. I think I hit like 3 strikes in a row where everybody is looking at different, they put in with different perspective. But today one is the best example. Nobody is looking at the macro environment. They're just diving in, look at the discounted cash flow, look at whether we have a net present value. You buy 100 million, but the net present value is 111 million. You are earning like 11 million plus. We talk about goodwill. We talk about so many issues related to business. But I highlighted to the class that how the heck none of you talk about macro environment. You don't just buy a company. You have to look at the point in time when you buy a company, just like buying a stock, what is the overall market feel or market sentiment?